Welcome to this new Notion tutorial where I will explain how the Leclerc template works.
A Leclerc is a system designed mostly for those teams who want to optimize all their productivity in the work area.
A productivity in the work area, or simply for an individual person to improve the project area. Improve what is the project area? It is practically a project management system. The Leclerc has the following: a quick action area, a navigation area where you will be able to see the following.
It also has what is the database, the databases. Each of these templates are integrated in such a way that you can optimize it for your customization.
What does this mean? That you can optimize each of these individual parts according to your preference. We have what is the project area, the task area, reminders, some kind of links, meetings, wikis, notes, the team itself in case it is for several people,
some specific dates, groups, and what would be the passwords. But in the quick area, you will be able to add each of the following: new tasks, new notes, new wikis, new meetings, new resources, or new reminders. In the navigation area, you will be able to see each of the following. For example, if I want to see projects, I can enter here in this way, and I can visualize each of the assigned projects.
Likewise with the team, this is a very important task because you will be able to group each of the teams that you prefer. If you have some members of your team, you will be able to assign each of the names where you will be able to assign them
some kind of project or a specific task, or simply in the future add them to meetings.
In the task area, you are going to be able to visualize each of the tasks that are as a priority form, the tasks that are already finished, or simply the tasks that are in that process.
I would like to jump to the meetings area. In the meetings, it would practically be the following:
are assigned meetings that you will be able to group with your entire team. If you want someone, you simply add a new meeting with the member assigned for that day and the date assigned, some kind of registration, some kind of file to keep in mind, or a URL such as a Zoom call.
Practically, the reminders are some reminder that we have to keep in mind when viewing something. We have the area of wikis that practically would come being area of wikis and documents. You have the resources area, notes, and I would like to talk to you about this area, which would practically be areas to have some kind of more assigned project separate to what would already be the meetings themselves. In the security area is an area of my preference, because here we can group everything that would be passwords. They are not necessarily built for that purpose, but we can somehow group each of these.
Having said that, I would like to give you a little tour of the whole template. Already said before, here is what would be the quick actions, the navigation area, the project area.
The team area, where you're going to be able to see all the members of each team. Some kind of reminder during the week, some added notes, and of course the meetings by the team members, the meetings for each team. You can also separate it by some kind of month. The most important wikis or added documents that you want your team to see on the main screen, as well as some kind of resource or some kind of link. I want to say again that Leclerc was practically built for those people who have a work team and want to improve its optimization when it comes to a much more fluid work. Likewise, if you are in a more individual way, you can take it into account as a small project, and you can assign each of these tasks to yourself and have a better job.